Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert footnote. So if you want to insert footnote, you can go to reference tab, click in it, and then like I will click at this point. Now you can click the insert footnote. It will be appear number one, like in I will set into example. I will insert again like at this point, and you can click insert footnote. Will be set into number 2. You can tap again like example. And I will click at this point. Click again this insert footnote tools. Will be set into number 3 and I will set into example. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert footnote. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.